What's up, picture perfect people? Now y'all make sure you subscribe to Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. I don't know why you haven't subscribed yet. I don't know what you're waiting for. We have told professionals for years, you guys got to make great content, and guess what? They're actually doing it, and I want y'all to reward that by subscribing. Subscribe today. Oh, and hit that bell.
Hey guys, it's Katie with Picture Perfect. I'm here with Jimmy, our company's owner, to tell you about our GIE experience, not only this year, but in years past. We've been happy attendees for years and years, even though this is my first time. It's in no way Jimmy's. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information about it in case you're thinking about it for 2020.
Why do I go to the GIE? We go to the GIE every year for the last 7-8 years. Basically look around, see what's going on out there, see what the new products are, see what the new equipment is going on. And now it's starting to be more of a get together, kind of see what's going on, who's out there, talk to other professionals, see what they're seeing in the fields, seeing what's going on, and talking to them more about the equipment and products they're using also.
Picture Perfect people, this is Katie. I'm here with my buddy Matt from the Outer Banks area. Be sure to check out his awesome company so that you can get some great fertilization and other services done with him. But also check out the Popo & Sons YouTube channel because it's taking off and it's absolutely a resource that you should be looking into.
Sounds good. Thank y'all. Coming to GIE.
Woo!
Yes, the size of the grill. I'm probably going to make that
A huge reason that we attend the GIE each season is to explore the new options that are out there for different pieces of equipment that we can incorporate into our company's registry as we expand the following season.
And it's really nice to be able to go out there and see each piece of equipment, you know, kind of side by side. Be able to actually get on each particular piece. It's a lot better than trying to watch YouTube videos about it or go online and look it up on their website. To actually be able to get on the machine, drive it, kind of get a little bit of hands-on experience on each one, just to kind of decide which one we think is going to be easier to teach other people how to use when we start hiring employees, as well as which one we think is going to be better for our lawns and our size lawns, because you know, different people have different size lawns, different lawn care companies in different areas have different size properties that they're taking care of. So what works for someone else somewhere else might not work for us quite as well.
part about getting to attend an event like the GIE is the awesome networking experience that it has. We've made a lot of friends across the country in this industry. We're very fortunate in that, and they're invaluable resources in terms of being able to learn and understand the trends in the industry, as well as just have somebody to commiserate with and talk to about professional issues. From hanging out in the Echo Means Business social media lounge with other YouTubers like Alan Hain and GCI Turf's Pete Denny, to being able to speak with the manufacturers of really cutting-edge fertilizer products like John Perry with Green County Fertilizer and Matt Martin of Carbon Earth, to chatting with the awesome support staff at Service Autopilot, the program that literally behind the scenes makes Picture Perfect what it is, to even meeting with other professionals that have been following our YouTube channel and that we haven't gotten to speak to before. It's a great opportunity for us to get to chat with everybody and catch up and make sure that we're all on the same page for where the industry is heading. Thank you guys for watching. As always, be sure to subscribe like Alan Hain said at the very beginning of this video, and comment below to let us know if you're going to be at the GIE next year in 2020.